Hey everybody, it's Roland and Real from Complete Trader Academy with another daily review. Today is Thursday, November 17, 2022. Let's jump right into it here. This is the daily candle for today. Let me zoom in for you a little bit. All right, so price opened up, went up, came all the way down, took out that imbalance that I was telling you about that I wanted to finish, got into this block right here. See that? See how it tapped it? And then rallied all the way back up and settled. All right, so let me go into a smaller time frame here just so we can see the trades. And here is the day. We're on the 5-minute chart. Price opened up here. So if you recall yesterday, let me kind of show you. Remember yesterday we were debating about if is it going to go up or is it going to go down, right? Amazingly, it kind of did a little bit of both, right? So price opened up here and started consolidating, took out these highs here, came down aggressively, and then started rolling back up, taking out this high, and I believe it took this high out. Yep, look at that. So I was assuming that we were going to take that high is what I was trying to go for yesterday. Remember, yesterday was a very consolidating day. Sure enough, in the middle of the night, so 3 in the morning came and London decided to take this thing all the way down, which makes sense. And pretty much the majority of the day was in London coming into, if you look down here, look at the time, Eastern time, 7:30, 8 o'clock, 8:30. So we were sitting here watching this, and I was just waiting for it to kind of break and retest to go up because majority of the move is, look how big this move is. Let me go to like an hour real quick or something. So as you see, the day just kept dropping, mentioned to take out these lows here and this low right here. So it did it, right? Got into this imbalance, filled it up nicely, and then reversed. Is that a coincidence? No. See, we had this here, got into this imbalance here. You see, if you see this low here, it tapped in underneath. Look to the right. Look, it tapped underneath. So that's really all the reason it had to reprice over here. Yes, do we still have a lot more here? Let me just shrink this so you can kind of see what's left even. But here, let me do this real quick. Right there. So I brought it down more. So this is what's left in that imbalance or price that needs to be repriced. And it doesn't have to happen now. Them coming here was good enough to that point, right? But we're expecting a little bit deeper. So we're doing, we're assuming that yesterday that was this, the day before that, this was that lower low, which broke structure, right? And higher, this is a lower high, lower low, lower high. So that being said, as the price was sinking all day and then 8:30 came around, which is right here, let me go back into a 5-minute. I was looking for a reversal, and sure enough, we got it. So we had price break up here, break that high, came down and got into this block. On a 1-minute is a little more clear, so I'll even go in there and show you that. So really, this was the entry here. See this? See how it broke up and then came back in and tapped that block? Look at it, it tapped it perfectly. But I do more confirmation. So I'll say I'll look for a double break, right? So 1 and 2. The second break broke, came down, came right into this block here, and here, held, didn't go, put the stop loss underneath, and you were riding good for at least 400 points. So beautiful going up. Now my intention was to, now remember, I'm going to go back out a little bit. You see, we now have that engineered liquidity that I mentioned yesterday. If you need to watch previous videos so you can follow, But I mentioned that now we've got liquidity sitting here. It looks pretty clean, don't it? Highs, 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 all that money sitting here. So I took it up. Yes, I was following structure, so I wanted to take a sell from here, 79. It ended up landing on the 88. I took the sell as well, and I'm still in the sell. So market closed, and I'm probably going to get taken out. I mean, it's looking, order flow is showing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Look at, once it bounced here, bounced off, and this could make a new higher high. Grab that liquidity sitting here, get up in here just a little bit, and then start to come down again. Or I might just go straight bullish all the way and take out this high, which I doubt that, but I mean, it's an option. But in general, if I'm doing lower low, lower high, lower low, where's my lower high? So I took the trade up for the lower high, got into here, got into this trade, and actually let me just show you, I didn't show you this trade. So selling, which I'm in now, this also broke this candle, broke this low, broke, came up, came right back into this supply block here, and sold off. Boom, 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 right? You see that? But it started to reverse a little early, in my opinion, a little too high. Now, could the price open up and fall down? Sure. Could it gap up? Sure. I mean, it could do anything. Could it gap down? Sure. And then come back up and then take this? Sure. You follow what I'm saying? Right now, I'm just sticking to a trend and I'm following the trend, right? And that's what I want to do. So, other than that, let's go back out just a little bit here. As far as the fib goes, you see how I used A, B, and then C was for the sell here. As far as catching this, I didn't need a fib for me to catch this. My objective was met when I filled up this imbalance that I've been talking for days, right? So I knew I'd get a reaction here, and sure enough, I just waited for a break. Now, could price come down? Could this be a next leg, lower high coming down? And then TP here, get into this zone. That's my goal, or that's what I'm aiming for, I should say. So I'm gonna hold this trade that I'm in now. I've already closed, obviously, this trade because I'm bearish. Other than that, I'm still in this trade, and let's hope that it just keeps going down when the market opens up. But you got this high here, you got this. This is now a high. This high. Price looks too clean. I know we have news tomorrow, so that might just do it, right? So again, the reason why we were successful today was because we saw Asia and London. Obviously, you couldn't miss that. But, you know, when I woke up here, I think it was, about right here, I just said, you know what, let this thing keep doing what it's doing. It's a leg. You gotta let it continue. You don't want to be thirsty to try to catch a reverse or anything like that. Let it extend and then show you its hand, right? So again, tomorrow, either taking up these highs, or we're going to continue down and then getting into here and creating structure, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. All right. Hope this helps. Take care. God bless.